everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing with you how I made pineapple fried rice. This is super delicious and the taste is so nice. All you need is just a ripe pineapple. So right now I'm going to cut it into two halves and then I'm going to cut it inside this way and split it like so, and then I'm going to scoop out the flesh out of the cone. At the end of my cooking, I'll be using the cone to plate the rice. So guys, if you're interested, stay with me and watch how I do it, so at the end you can try this super delicious meal for yourself. Now I'm going to pour that into my blender and blend smoothly, and then use a cheesecloth to filter out the chaff from the juice. Please remember, before you get to this point, remember to wash the pineapple using a sponge to scrub out dirt and sand, and then pat dry with a dry towel. Now I am done blending the pineapple. I will now filter the juice out. I will be using some of the juice to cook the rice. Please stay put and watch me how I do this. It's nice having you today, tuning in to watch today's video. If this is your first time here, please remember to subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification bell so that each time we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. To all my returning subscribers, thanks for tuning in today. Please, as you watch, remember to hit the like button and comment about this delicious recipe. Our juice is now ready. I will pour that into the bottle and keep aside in the fridge while I go ahead to cook the rice. Here is the rice already washed. I will pour that into the pot, add in some chicken stock, a cup of the pineapple juice, some salt, some water enough to cook the rice, then cover and allow to cook until it is soft. I will set that aside and heat up some oil in a pan to fry the shrimp. The shrimp has already been spiced before now with some seasoning and salt. I will fry that until it is done, and I will take it out and keep aside. In another pan, I will heat some oil, pour in the onion, garlic and ginger and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the vegetables and stir fry, but not for so long so it doesn't overcook. I will add some seasoning to spice it. I will keep stirring. After a while, I will add in the cooked rice and mix up together. Then goes in the fried shrimps and lastly the green peas. I will stir that all together to achieve a good mix. This meal does not take longer time to cook. It can be ready in just a jiffy. Will you be trying this? Try it and give us feedback in the comment section below. At first when I heard about pineapple fried rice, I was like, how is this one going to taste like? But when I tried it, I was like, wow, this is amazing. The taste is so unique. So guys, this rice, I want you to try it. Try it. If you have pineapple at home, just try cooking it and attest for yourself. Now I am dishing the rice into the pineapple cone. As you can see, this is super easy and delicious, and that is our juice. I'm going to pour that into the glass, and and that will be used to step down with the rice. Check out this lovely, check out the beauty of the rice inside the pineapple cone. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that looking so nice? This is so creative and eye-catching. So that is all we have for you today. That is all about the pineapple fried rice. I am so happy sharing this recipe with you today, and I do hope that each and every one of you will try this at home. Thanks once again for tuning in today. Hope to see you again in my next one. Bye.